Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Before you begin, remove the top cover. Removal: remove the USB board ribbon cable from the adhesive that secures it to the battery. Remove the 8 2.5mm P1 Phillips-head screws that secure the battery to the base enclosure. Lift the battery off of the alignment pins on the base enclosure and remove. Replacement: place the battery onto the alignment pins on the base enclosure. Caution: ensure that the USB board ribbon cable is free from being pinched between the battery and base enclosure. Replace the 8 2.5mm P1 Phillips-head screws that secure the battery to the base enclosure. Apply pressure to the length of the USB board ribbon cable to adhere it to the battery.